This is a demo of Ignitarium's audio AI platform Septra functioning in a hospital environment. You will see how our sound event classification engine is able to detect cough among other ambient sounds in a hospital ward. This software IP can be integrated into patient monitoring systems used for tracking respiratory disease onset or patient recovery progress.
Gastroenterology with Dr. Kern. Gastroenterology with Dr. Kern. Gastroenterology with Dr.